Good afternoon, YouTube. Austin here, and today I'm going to talk to you and tell you how you can make $1,000 a day welding from home. And that is not clickbait. Denver, get out of there. Hey, get out of there. Sorry, my puppy's with me today. Denver. Yeah, there, he says hi. He loves being in the garage. He doesn't get to be out here much. So, $1,000 a day welding from home with a few basic tools. Denver, get out of there. Go outside. Outside, let's go outside. This will make this video much easier. So, what kind of tools do you need? You're gonna need a welder. MIG welder's fine for these. Angle grinder, a chop saw, if you can afford it. If you're just starting out, you can do it with an angle grinder. So, my longer time viewers will know that for almost a year now, actually more like 8-9 months, I've been building trailer ramps. I literally just upload these to Marketplace. I actually have 3 different sets. These are the sets that are waiting to go out today. And some people have already came and picked up their sets. So when I list these trailer ramps on Marketplace, I also put in there that I'm a welder and I can do custom fabricating. I get tons of trailer repairs and videos like that, or projects like that. But a lot of people come from all over just to get these trailer ramps. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets that are leaving today. And it actually ended up bringing just over $1,000. So I gotta check on the dog. Oh yeah, he's just chewing on a stick. He loves sticks. Look at him. Yeah, he's a dork. So anyways, seriously, $1,000 a day. It's not clickbait. And all I do is post these on Marketplace in my state, and bada boom. So now, yeah, maybe when you start out, you don't sell $1,000 worth a day. Maybe you don't sell, $1,000 a week. Me, I sell anywhere from about 6 to 8 sets of ramps a week. And that's just on Marketplace. So something new that we're doing this year is we're getting into stores and selling them online so I can sell them nationwide. So to keep up these $1,000 a day. And these trailer ramps, they don't take that long to make. It's literally 8, 9, what is this? 3, 6, 7, 8. One of these ramps, literally 9 cuts. Laid out. I'd be even faster at it if I built a jig, which I would do. And let them sell. And the other great thing about these is you can build them stock. Put them in the corner of your shop, a shed, wherever you can. And you literally don't even have to worry about having the time to build them. You just, whenever someone orders them, you just ship them or give them to them or whatever. Gotta find my dog. Oh, there he is. So anyways, now, in my area, the trailer ramps seem to do pretty good. I did do a little research on it. Do you have a stick? Yes. Yeah, you're very, very cute. I did do a little research on them. One of the reasons I think they sell so good in this area, and again, my longer viewers will know, I live just south of the sand dunes. Some guys drive up there, they get there, they realize at the beginning of their day they lost a ramp on the way there, or they left them at home, they can't unload their stuff, or they can unload their stuff when they get there, and then they go play all day, have wild fun up at the dunes, come back, and someone stole the ramps off their trailer. It happens. So I research, figure out the size and lengths and everything, so that I can build them stock. They can buy them for me that will fit right into their old trailer. The other important thing to know is on your Facebook ad, or really wherever you're going to sell them, just put down the, your custom fabricator. So maybe you can sell 3-foot ramps, 5-foot ramps, 6-foot, 8-foot, 10-foot ramps. If you have someone who's a friend that's an engineer, have them draw up some plans so you know what your load ratings are and everything like that. That was something I did from the get-go when these started taking off, and it worked out pretty great. But there's other things you can sell on Facebook Marketplace too. This isn't a finished set, but these, if you can tell, they're kind of tapered at the end. These right here are fork extensions, pallet fork extensions. I just put some 1/2-inch plate right here with a pin that goes back here, and they hook onto a fork. I believe those ones are, yeah, those ones are 5 foot. Yeah, okay, who has a piece of trash? The other thing you can build are rocket stoves. That's actually mine right there, but I'm gonna clean it up and get it ready to sell. Find out what's good in your area that you can make out of steel and sell for a profit. The other great thing about the trailer ramps is the more steel I buy, the cheaper the steel gets, which means I have a bigger profit margin. That's why we want to, I don't know how all steel suppliers do it. My steel supplier, the more you buy, the better your price gets, and they go off weight. So the more I can sell, the better my price will be leading up to the end of the year. Okay, yeah, go outside. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to get on, make a quick video. As far as welding skills go, I would just say you gotta at least kind of know what you're doing with a MIG welder. Again, these are gonna be under some load on a trailer and everything, so you wanna make sure you know a little bit about what you're doing. But seriously, guys, and like, I can prove it. This is just from today. Right? This is about just under $1,000 that I'll be depositing on the bank on Monday. And like I said, I still have one trailer sitting out there that the guy's waiting to pick up. He just bought the trailer. This is another good example of why you should put on there you're a custom fabricator. Denver, get in your yard. Or in here. He just bought the trailer, didn't come with ramps, so he ordered a set of ramps, and we made we had to customize a few things to his liking to put a pin so they don't slide out of their holders in them. So we put a pin in them. So a little custom fabricating, and then a few other things he needed on his trailer done. So you're in a few extra bucks that way. I've had guys need cross members cut out and replaced, and all sorts of kind of things just off of a Facebook ad selling ramps. So for you guys who like message me and say, you know, I get like one job here and one job there, but it's not enough to be consistent and pay the bills. I get it. That was my struggle starting out too. You got to find your constant, and trailer ramps and selling, being able to build stock of stuff and selling it off Marketplace out of my garage has definitely helped make us consistent. And the more you do, the more reviews you get, the more your stuff's gonna pop up in people's search history. And when you think about it, a lot of people have trailers, lose ramps, ramps get broke, ramps get stolen, all sorts of things happen. So trailer ramps are a good idea. Farm equipment, attachments, whatever you can come up with that might sell good in your area is a good idea. So again, guys, I just wanted to get on, make a quick video saying that, you know, it's possible, it can happen. You just kind of got to be a go-getter and don't be afraid to put your work out there. So until next time, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. We're just about to 600 subscribers now, and this video won't post, I think, for 2 weeks, because that's my next scheduling. So hopefully by then we'll be at 600 subscribers, and hopefully we bring in a whole lot more. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you have a good day, and remember, if you're not burning, you're not learning. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the last guy came, picked up his ramps. It's one thing I wanted to mention before that I didn't. So So I have these listed statewide, and when people, you know, travel a long ways, like this guy came 2 hours to get them, I told him, I says, buy as many as you want for X amount of dollars, take them over where you're at, and if you can make more money on them, whether it's 50 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever, more power to you. So he bought an extra set so he can take them over and resell them to maybe get some of his money back. You know, yeah, they're just picking them up and reselling them, but they still might profit 50 bucks a ramp or something like that. And if it's worth it to them, that's cool for me. Counted all the cash. We ended things at $1,300. That's not a bad weekend. And you know, it's, even if you have a day job and you're just trying to get started, if you, you know, can come make a couple sets or one set a night, if you can make one set a night after work or something in your garage and just post them online and just keep saving that money and buying more steel and trying new stuff, good for you. Good for you. More power to you. But yeah, they're a good little money maker. Maybe, you know, I might be in more of a niche market here, but I'm sure if you're resourceful and determined, you'll find a niche market wherever you're at. So, you know, don't be afraid to try something. I'm gonna sound like a dummy, but when I first started doing ramps, I didn't think they'd sell. I didn't think they'd sell whatsoever, and I was wrong. I was wrong. So anyways, guys, I am heading in for the night. I've worked 12 hours today. This is Saturday, cutting, splitting wood, and welding up ramps. So everybody have a good rest of your weekend, or, well, good rest of your week, because this video will post on Wednesday. So have a good rest of your week. Pick something fun to do this coming weekend. Enjoy life. Michigan, my fellow Michigan viewers, or, you know, cold state guys, it's starting to warm up. It was 50 degrees here today, so get out and have some fun. Go for a hike, or, you know, watch the sunset at the beach, or something good. Family time. All right, guys. See you on the next video.